Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the screen flickering on your Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and adjust the brightness in the display settings. So unlock the device. Now let's go over to the settings. Here I am on the main page. Now what we want to do is we're going to go over to the display and touch, and right here change the brightness level. So click here and now change the brightness. So now disable the adaptive brightness settings, and after that, if this didn't help, then go over to the Play Store and right here search for the screen dimmer and then OLED saver. Now download the first app right here, and I'll auto open it when ready. It will take a couple of times, so I'll just open it like that. Let's go over and grant the first permission. So to control our brightness, now to adjust the overlay, so it's normal, now click allow, and after that grant permission for notifications. Now we can enable the service right here. As you guys can see, it does work, but in the camera now this one is flickering a bit, so it's normal. Now if you just do not like it, then disable it and then change your brightness. Back here in the control center. So now as you guys can see, the screen dimmer app works, and if still you have the flickers on your screen, then go over to the settings and make sure that you're running the latest version of the Pixel. So go back to the main page. Now here scroll down until you see system, and now go over and select the software updates. Here click on the system update, and as you guys can see, I have a system update available myself, but my battery is just too low and I'm also in the power saving mode, so I cannot do the update now. But as you guys can see, this update fixes critical bugs and improves the performance and stability of your device. So this can definitely fix our screen flickering, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.